And what is up, guys? Today I am playing Among Us with my brother, helping me out with stuff. So
yeah, guys. Yeah, it is me, the E.A.W. Crow, and actually, this is actually our channel. AJ hasn't.
Yeah, you should name your channel now. E.A.W. Crow and AJ.
I don't know.
Yeah, you should.
The EA part is for Elijah and AJ. So.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, anyways, guys.
Let's get started.
In today's video with AJ, I'm gonna be helping him out if he becomes imposter or not. And yeah, also help him with the techniques of the video. So let's get straight into it.
Boom. Okay, let's go. Online. Find game. Should I do 2 imposters or 3, 1?
Do an easy one, like 5 or I did 5 imposters. No, I meant to say like 1 or 2 or something.
Oh yeah, I need 1.
Alright.
And 2.
Alright, yeah, fine 2. Alright, 2 sounds good. Alright, go scroll up.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, join that one, I guess.
Come
on. Keep trying. No.
Come on, shoot. I'm gonna pick the second one.
It's already started.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, you got 8 people in here, and change your colors. You don't want to be the pee-pee.
Yes, I want to be the pee-pee color.
Alright, here we go, AJ.
Okay.
Are you an imposter or not?
I am not imposter.
Yeah, bravo.
Yes, I knew it. I'm not the imposter.
Alright, anyways, guys,
This map, I do not like these maps.
Alright, I'll show. Alright, so you're right in electrical, so.
It says that I have fixed lines
No, wait,
electrical.
There's your. No, go back.
Oh.
Go back. Alright, fix it. Okay, so like go out of the electrical and then go that way. Go that way. There's one of your tasks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's where that fix wire is.
Yep. There we go.
Alright, and then follow the arrows to your next task.
I know. Oh no. Open the door. There you go.
Guys, he's better at Among Us than me sometimes.
Yeah, because one time I was the imposter so many times.
He was imposter like 2 times in a row or something.
No, 4, 5.
5 times in a row.
Oh. You do the typing stuff.
Alright, I'll do the typing because I'm not allowed. Whoops. I made a mistake. Rosa. It's
Pink?
who?
Pink? Okay, it's pink.
You mean pink?
Oink!
Orange fake task the light.
What? Why?
How? Pink gun.
Pink then.
Wait, who? Eric thinks it's me. Alright, vote. Go ahead and vote. Vote pink in 3 seconds. Alright, guys. This is gonna be a weird short video. It's fine.
Yeah. Oh well, we already. Okay. Let's just go. Okay.
Alright, we got 1 vote on me.
Okay. Thumbs up. Yes.
Let's go. Alright,
Imposter.
good. Alright, let's go. Alright,
Okay. Why can I move?
I got you. There you go.
You click on the stuff.
Now I'll click. Alright.
You click on everything that imposter.
It's gonna be weird.
Okay, stop.
Alright, so your next task is here. Remove the wires.
Hope I don't die.
Please don't die. Do you have to? Okay.
Oh no, you do the type stuff.
Alright, also red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Red, green, red.
Self-report event. Oh, what is it?
Guys, this is not my video. This is AJ's video. This is not my video. This is AJ's video.
Yeah,
and it's sorry if I did that little thing because I'm trying to talk to William right now.
The one who's behind us.
Yeah, the one who's behind us.
Shirt.
This is I'm helping it. I I'm just here to help AJ out. So
Yeah. So who are we voting? Red or green?
I'm gonna go green.
Yeah.
Because he sussed me. So
Oh, he lost the game.
he left. Oh no. It's red then! It's red, you guys! AJ, it's red! Because if he left the game, then it would... Oh, no, we gotta call emergency meeting. We gotta call emergency meeting. Call meeting. Hold on.
Wait.
Hold on, stay away.
Go.
I know it's red. I know it's... See, I told you it's red.
No.
You want to end the video here?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. So yeah, bye.
And also, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave a like. Goodbye.